Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In our today's video, we shall discuss about the two important concepts. One is circuit diagram and Ohm's law. So, to draw the circuit diagram, you must know the symbols used to represent the components. Otherwise, you could not write a circuit diagram. There are some basic components and symbols you must know to write a schematic circuit diagram. There are various symbols and components which are used, but for your class 10th, if you know this table, it is very much sufficient. So there are 11 components along with the symbols. You must remember this table. Even from the point of examination, it is very important. For 1 mark question and MCQs, you may expect this question. For example, they may give one component and ask you to write the symbol, or they may give the symbol and ask you to write the component. So if you know these 11 components and symbol, you can write the basic or the schematic circuit diagram. So this table is very much important. You have to remember this. So whenever they ask you to write the circuit diagram by giving the symbols, you can write this circuit diagram if you remember this table. And the next concept is Ohm's law. What is the statement of Ohm's law? The statement is the potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains the same. So the metallic wire is nothing but a conductor. So the mathematical form of Ohm's law is V is proportional to I. V is nothing but potential difference. I is nothing but current flowing through the circuit. So the mathematical form is V by I equals R. R is nothing but the resistance of the circuit. So the potential difference is directly proportional to the current. This is the statement of Ohm's law, and this Ohm's law gives the relationship between potential difference and the current flowing through it. So in the examination, they may ask you to state the Ohm's law, then you have to write this statement. Sometimes they will not ask directly, they may ask in the application level. So how they ask the Ohm's law? They will ask in the way, state the law which gives the relationship between potential difference and the current. So the answer is one and the same. So you have to write Ohm's law itself. So the law which gives relationship between potential difference and current is Ohm's law. Even in 1 mark they may ask, state the law or mention the law which gives the relationship between potential difference and the current, that is the Ohm's law. This is the indirect way of asking the Ohm's law, but the answer is one and the same. So you have to remember the statement of Ohm's law, and it gives the relationship between the potential difference and the current. And what is the graphical representation of Ohm's law? So you will plot potential difference along y-axis and current along the x-axis. So what is the nature of the graph? Then how do you get the graph? When you plot the current and the potential difference along x-axis and y-axis, you will get a linear graph, that is nothing but the straight line. And one thing you must remember here is the temperature should remain same. The temperature should remain constant. It is the condition. Then only the potential difference will be directly proportional to current. That means if current increases, the potential difference will also increase, or if the current decreases, the potential difference will also decrease, provided the temperature should remain constant. If you vary the temperature, then the values of potential difference and current may also vary. Therefore, the important condition is the temperature should remain same throughout. Then The potential difference will directly proportional to current. That means if one quantity increase, the other quantity will also increase. If one quantity decreases, the other quantity will also decrease. So if they ask, write the nature of the graphical representation of Ohm's law, then it is a linear graph or it is a straight line. So this is about the Ohm's law statement and graphical representation. I hope you find this video useful. If you find it useful, please share this video among your friends and family members, and please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or questions, please drop your comments or questions in the comment section. I'll clear your doubts. Thank you.